take this opportunity to welcome everyone to the very beautiful Venetian as we come to celebrate two beautiful people, Ashley and Dave. You guys know the drill. I need to get the feel on how ready we are to party tonight. Both sides of the room, if you're ready to celebrate our brand new private group tonight, clap those hands and make a little noise. Both sides, come on. My crew, clap those hands and make some noise tonight. That is what I'm talking about. I want to now welcome some very special people. Without further ado, I want to focus your attention to the double door entranceway next to the staircase. And you know the deal. When you hear the name or names of some people that you love, together. So first off, I want to hear it led by your beautiful matron of honor, Francesca, tonight. Let's hear it for the lovely ladies of the wedding party. Party, everybody. Come on, let's hear it. Now, you guys please stand. Please stand. And clap those hands to the beat. Clap, clap, clap those hands. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. One final time, your attention, but not to the doors. Focus your attention to the top of that staircase entranceway as they start making their way down to the party right now. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honor and pleasure to introduce to you for one of the first times, Mr. and Mrs. Dave Leo! Hands up, hands up! This party up a little bit. Everybody grab somebody as we start things off on that dance floor tonight. Here we go. Join us as we celebrate the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Dave and Ashley Leo.
Hold on.